the rooftop garden now. Look at the scenic view. Inside there are the Buddhist chants and scriptures, so it be you can buy flowers offered to the monk and also to the Buddha. Lying Buddha. Lots of Buddha guys in different positions. Greetings from Singapore. I'm now at the famous temple, Singapore Buddha Two Red Temple. In Chinese, we call it Hoya Si, and it houses two for the Buddha. The nearest subway station is Maxwell along Tongsan East Coast Line, or the East-West Line is Ocean Park. You need to walk a little further. Today is weekday afternoon, 4 p.m. Now, this is the main prayer hall in front, and the security is just told the auntie to wear the shawl because her shorts were too short. You can buy the items from this vending machine, and then you can pay by Nets, credit card, or cash. You can use or as a free incense provided by temple. And then there's a Dragon King here. Let's go up. I'm still at level 1, so stay tuned for level 2, 3, 4 adventures. There are some items being sold here. And the Guru Rinpoche is right here. So there's level 1 to 4 as well as a roof, and the basement as well. There's even vegetarian dining hall right here at the basement. At the rooftop garden now, look at the scenic view. Inside there are the Buddhist chants and scriptures, so you believe by going around clockwise, one time around this view, it's the same as chanting the whole scriptures inside. Going like half to one now. Level 3 Buddha, the War Museum. Because at level 4 they don't allow photo and video. And level 4 they contain the relics of the temple, or of the Buddha I mean. It's a big tub here. I think the overall ambience is quite good because there's still aircon and there's plenty of space to walk around. Oh, look at the stupa or sadhita that contains the relics of the Buddha here. It said that whoever sees this is blessed and will be reduced from danger. On level 3 now, there are more exhibition and exhibits right here. Oh, this red color building, it really house installed the Bodhisattvas. The bells. Laughing Buddha. If you like Buddhist statues, you should come to this museum. It's free entry. I'm now one level above the ground level. They call it the mezzanine floor, and there are lots of very real life monks. Wow, you can see that it's like a real person, right? This is a Tang-dynasty. Another one. Now look at this, there are so many babies. And this is a Tang-dynasty. You guys enjoy the video, subscribe and give a like so more people can find the video. Thanks very much. The special reaction here, basement 1 open from 7 to 5 p.m. There are many shops here. There's so colorful shop houses, and not only that, there are some coffee shops. So that was a simple tour of the Buddha 2 Red Temple. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. And take care everyone. I will see you guys in my next video. And bye bye. Remember to subscribe.